The U.S. company Boeing and Norwegian Ammo tested a new 155mm Ramjet projectile for NATO standard artillery. The Ramjet is being developed as part of the modernization of existing weapons for the U.S. Army. Despite the fact that the tests became known only now, the tests took place at the end of April 2022 in Norway. The military checked the operation of the jet engine, which showed flight stability. Work on the new artillery projectile began in 2019 as part of the XM1155 Extended Range Artillery Projectile Program. The project was funded by the U.S. Army. The Ramjet is equipped with an air-jet engine, thanks to which it requires less fuel and can accelerate during flight. The maximum launch range is 70 kilometers. The Ramjet is designed for the Advanced ERCA, Extended Range Cannon Artillery, project, which was previously called the M109A8. However, the M777 and M109A7 Paladin howitzers will also be able to use the new projectile. With its help they will be able to destroy enemy tanks on the move.